Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, guess what I'm going to do today? I'm going to take these old original Miata wheels, and by popular demand, I'm going to refinish them a silver gray color. This is Rust-Oleum aluminum, and it's darker than regular silver, but it's lighter than like a gunmetal or graphite. I think it's going to be the perfect color for these wheels. These are the ones that came on the Miata. They are not in great shape, as you can see. They're pretty well, at least one or two of them have some pretty decent curb rash, and they're not worth anything. And these tires are older, but they're definitely worth keeping. So like I did in my last video, I'm going to go ahead and clean these up, scuff them, and then shoot them this color. I'm standing next here to the Miata with the wheels that I did, and those are okay, but I like to have a couple options. I would like to find some real inexpensive coilovers for this thing, used if possible. I don't want to put a bunch of money into this car. It's just not worth anything. And I would like to lower it. And eventually, if I can find a good deal on some wider wheels and tires, I'll definitely pick those up. So if anybody knows of anything out there, you know, as far as, well, basically coilovers at this point, because it just definitely needs to be lowered. And I've got more videos coming on this car. I've got one fairly major project coming up, which you will see. Got more coming on the Ranger, and I've got another project coming on the 2017 Mustang. So let me go ahead and get these set up. I'm gonna scuff them and I'm gonna paint them. Stay tuned. All right, all four wheels and center caps are scuffed. I'm gonna get some Windex and some paper towels or maybe a rag, give them a real good clean, and then start to spray them. Like I said, these wheels aren't worth anything. I mean, you can literally find these daisy wheels for nothing. People just give them away, or for, you know, a couple bucks or whatever. And these tires, I mean, they're okay. They're not great, but like I said, I'll have this extra set around, and I was kind of tired of the white, so the silver gray I think will be a good change. One nice light coat of the silver on the first wheel, and I think this is going to look good. Like I said, a little bit darker than regular silver, but not as dark as gunmetal. So that's probably ready for another coat right now, so let me get on with it. All right, I got all four wheels painted, the center caps are painted, and they turned out pretty decent, except for this one right here, wrinkled right there. I guess I must not have cleaned that very well. So I'll let this dry a little bit, sand that down, and then reshoot that wheel. But pretty much, other than that, it's done. I'm not going to put these on the car today. I'm just going to kind of clean them up and put them in the shed for storage. So I'll fix that one, and I'll show you what they look like when they're all finished. All right, these are all done. Pretty happy with the way they turned out. I guess for the condition of the wheels, couldn't really ask for anything more. I don't think I'll put them on the car right away, but I will probably switch these out from time to time. With the bronze wheels that are currently on there, I think I'll run those for a while. I do have some different logo decals coming. Looks like they'll be here tomorrow. I'll pop those on, show you what those look like probably in the next Miata video. So I'm going to clean these tires up. They're pretty dirty, put some dressing on them, store them away until next time. Let me know if you have any questions or comments or suggestions, you know, things to do with the Miata, the Ranger, Prelude, the Mustang, and I read all the comments. I reply to pretty much all of them. Love to get comments and definitely appreciate them. So please consider subscribing, and while you're at it, please check out another YouTube channel called Because Miata, and I'll put the link in the description. If you like cool Miata projects and you're especially fond of augmented reality, that will be a channel you will love. If you haven't already seen it, please check it out. So that'll do it for another Miata project. It's a beautiful day here in February, San Diego. Temperatures in the low 80s, I think. Couldn't ask for better weather. Anyway, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.